right, we have got a banger here on deck. Actually, I haven't heard it, so I don't know if it's a banger. But I have heard Kick Back. Yeah, the hit song by Kenshi Yonezu for the one, the only Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw Man. Kick Back. Good memories. Still haven't watched Chainsaw Man, so I don't know if those are good memories, but Kickback was amazing. All the movie references in that, when I reacted to that and dissected it, I was losing my mind, and I still need to check out Chainsaw Man. But this is called Irisout. So I'm pulling my iris, my eyeball. Okay, I'm pulling that out of my head. And if this is that good that it makes my eyeballs pop out, don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. I won't be either. It'll just be something that happened. We can keep it between us. Nobody will know. If it's anything that is up there with Kick Back, then it's definitely gonna be good. This is called Irisout by Kenshi Yonezu. I still need to watch Chainsaw Man. I know. I'm gonna do that before the movie releases. Count on it. Got the Converse on, the Chuck Taylors. I'm sorry, were they playing pinball? Is that what was happening? Because I seen about 300 Master Splinters running towards me right now. Where are the Ninja Turtles? I'm playing the pinball. What do you know? It's me watching the new Chainsaw Man movie when it comes out. Oh yeah! Did she just blow a kiss at me with blood all over her mouth? The way this man pulled his chainsaw out, he done whipped his chainsaw out and came through the top of the vehicle. We done launched out of the car. Do it again, please. I don't know who he's fighting. Is that his mamacita? Do they transform and get into squabbles all the time? All shall be revealed when I watch the show. I'm guessing the character here, her name is Iris. Yeah. He was very erect. It was blood. It was blood. She earned her Red Wings. Boom. That's perfect. That is perfect. And I want to pay it some respect once again. Poof. It's so on time. And you know who's never on time? Me. Yeah. He's riding on a shark. You know, for research purposes, I'm going to take this back a little bit because there was some there's a spider. I mean, there's a butterfly caught in a web. That's me right now. Look at the detail on this hand, though, when it goes all these little veins or whatever's going on here. The spider web looking. That's a literal fuse. That is a fuse on her hand. That's what that was. It was a fuse. It ignited. Excuse me, madam? That is what that is. It's a fuse in her veins. She's a ticking time bomb. We're going streaking in the pool. Look at the visual of him butt naked in her iris. Fireworks. Literal fireworks. Sparks are flying. Irisout. Why is she fighting like butt naked all the time? Not that I'm mad at it, I'm just confused. Is it because she blows her clothes off all the time while this man's riding around on a shark with 6 eyeballs and 4 legs? Whip out the chainsaw. Dare I say, better than Kick Back. Dare I say, better than Kick Back. Musically, that was a masterpiece. Everything. The little Vocaloid. Oh, no, hold on a second. There is something, and she got her cheeks, whatever's there of them. But this, look at the shark head on the body. He was riding around on not just a shark, but a shark man? Excuse me? Oh, look at that! Her hand is just made up entirely of a fuse. It was so explosive. It's getting dark in here, but she's lighting up my world. Poof. We gotta take this back. Right here with the fireworks. Do it again, please. Sound like he got dial-up or something. This man still got dial-up internet. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. What the hell was that? Was that a giant baby? Right there. What the fuck is that? What is that? I gotta watch this show. He's flying on a shark. There's a giant baby head in the sky. I gotta see this movie when it comes out, so I need to start watching this show. Right there, that's what I was waiting for. Shark Boy and Lava Girl, that's what's happening here. You know, at this point, I thought the chainsaws coming out of his body, him turning into a literal chainsaw man was surprising. But the shark man, I should have expected it. At this point, touch my body. Kenshi, Yonezu, irisout. We up out of here. That was incredible. That was spectacular. That was amazing. That's actually, dare I say, opening of the year. I'm kidding. It's not. I know the end. Dandadan Season 2, still opening of the year, but for a movie, that's actually one of the best openings I've heard. That's one of the best songs ever. Better than Kick Back, and Kick Back was amazing. I didn't know it was possible, but they did the damn thing. They did the thing. That was incredible. What did you guys think? Do you think that was better than Kick Back, or did you enjoy Kick Back more?